Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Passport battery. This guide will help you through each step, ensuring a smooth and safe replacement. First, let's talk about preparation. You will need a 10mm wrench, a wire brush for cleaning, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your battery, usually found under the hood. Always start by identifying the negative terminal, which is often marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on this terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Next, do the same for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it is time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it fits snugly. Connect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal last, ensuring all connections are firm and secure. You are almost done. For your final steps, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. A loose connection can cause electrical problems. To extend your battery's life, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Never just throw it away. Finally, consider having your vehicle's charging system checked periodically to ensure optimal battery performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.